How to schedule a recurring transfer with PNC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to automate transfers between your PNC accounts, well, here is how to schedule a recurring transfer in the PNC mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC mobile app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the transfer tab. And here in that section, you just have to select between my PNC accounts and then choose the source from and the destination to accounts. And here, once you are done with that, you just have to enter the transfer amount. Pick a frequency such as weekly, monthly, or annually and set the start date for the first transfer. And once you are done with that, you just have to review all details carefully and then tap submit to schedule the recurring transfer. And it will happen automatically based on your set schedule. And that's it. That's how you can schedule a recurring transfer with PNC accounts. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.